ngithi namhlanje ngiphethe abantu abanzima la studio. Abathi stand by, abathi standing in Dubai. Abanye bathi every car in the one or everyone in the car. Gentlemen, Dagi siyabonga kanjalo sekuphinda kwabanjalo. Grace and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in dope and awesome spirits. Kamatheba Lukela, otherwise known as Uskim. Babu Thala, Babu Chabela, the wise that are coming from the east. Namhlanje ngiphethe abantu abayijwayele lento le abayenza kangcono ukudlula mina. So namhlanje ngithe no ithi ngithathe advantage. Ngizaba iGrootman okwanamhlanje kuphela. Maybe ningangizwela nami lithi emzala uze nawe ngale cut enekhona yobufebe. Uzo pamba roll nyana la. Chance the grand.
No, it's easy.
Yeah,
top.
Makuthule kakhulu ndodo ngezosekunuka bengiganga mina ngiphatha irifle indoda iyasuza ngithi nayi imoto emali yaveli vele isuza indoda nani ngathola ukuthi baye ngifuna abantu babe loose phela le yethu yasedladleni yonke into iva grand chance akazi uzoqala ngobani kahle la
Yeah.
ngoShaka Zulu wena uma umebondeni kanje umuntu angachaya sathi imbobo
Ngiyabona ke manje. I-30 ziyafika manje. Ngiyabona manje.
Any la ngenze ukuthi efamba kaya uyavaya wena or bana ukuphathisa inzengana nje bana ukukubuza ukuthi
Ngivayi. Babangena ngithi engirere.
Utangihlali babathi ithakazelo ubani uthi injovu yajikima chesa sihlahla yaphumela ngale ne chance ku grand man asisintroduce mangikhuluma behind the scenes ngikhuluma noDaki Sibizi ngithi echana ehle kahle kathi kuzabani uthe kuzawona ngithi no mina angifuni indaba ku script le ihamba ibe ne washa umuntu uyambona makaloka mara mayihamba kanje organically I think move grand. You are no foreigner, no stranger in the building. I mean, you came here and kuna concert with Pizza and the concert with Pizza ngayo bengibona ukuthi inamandla. Mara ke uNkulunkulu usebenza ngesikhathi sakhe. Kanti beyafuna ngizo interview yona kuqala. Mara siqale mangukubheka ngathi wewe uyangispan. Asiqale sogcina ngendoda enkulu. Ngicela izintroduce nje yami.
Igama uTshepo Kamatlala. Also known as uTshepo Matlala. I'm playing Ivan Peñani on the movie Studying Under the Barrel of the Gun, directed by Tebogo Malope. That's why I'm here.
Ngimkhulu namhlanje ngihleli movie star.
Oh, okay.
I'm the chief. Into zamba kahle. Leader, please introduce yourself.
I'm Tebogo Malope.
Yeah.
Better known as Tebza. Actually, this year, 2026, I'm 21 years in the film industry. And I wrote, directed, I was even the cameraman on Studying Under the Barrel of a Gun. Yeah.
Uqale kahle wona mangifuna kulokho abantu. Ngiyabalokho kahle ngivele ngitshele ngimdala la. Yebo, direct. Hayi na nje sengicacelo masishana. Yeah, ne ku grand. So iyadlala manje I-movie straight. Abafana ninzima. Abodaki bayenza start to finish. Namhlanje abantu bayayibukela. So mangiya ngiyayithola imovie namhlanje.
Yeah, it's playing at the Keniko. And you know the way Sishanga con. In fact, me and you have had a meeting about another project that's still coming. And what we wanted to do, we spoke about the business model. Yeah. You understand it. But for the audience that may not know, the idea was as young people, as young black people, can we raise money ourselves?
Yeah.
So that we at least own the IP.
Yeah.
And then we could go to platforms like Sterkeniko and them. And then after that, hopefully like Netflix or Amazon. But we know that we own the intellectual property because we think that's where the next play is, you know, where the business model is going. You know, so we did another one called Spirit. That's coming after this one.
Questa.
And then, that's based on the music video Questa that I did.
Yeah.
And then when I bumped into this book around November, December last year, and then it was my December read. And then towards end of January, I realized this book is based on an incident that happened on June 12, 1986. And then I put the dots together, realized it's 40th anniversary of that event. Which is 5 days before June 16, 50th anniversary. So we thought, 4 days before, so we thought, let's try and get it in the pocket by June 12th. And so it took us about less than 3 months. And Conrad Mamabolo, I called him and he partnered with me. He'll meet him now in a few minutes. And we decided to go raise money ourselves, shoot it ourselves, and go directly to Sterkeniko and say, we need screens. And they said yes. And so right now it's playing at the Keniko 6 cinemas around the country.
Shout out guys man. Hey, lamajita nezinto ezinzima. Mara ke nginombuzo before because abantu abasha bafuna ukungena kule film industry. Maya bayabuza ukuthi what is the consideration criteria? Esizolo sidunga esikhuluma. Yeah, mele ube nani kahle hle. What is the ngoba babona ngathi mele ugcoke ngendlela ethize and mele ube nenwele ube nelook ethize. What qualifies one ukuthi angene kule space senu bafethu?
I think Tsepo can take this
Yeah,
one.
ngikayicova. So cause nokuthola vele lama TikTok request ukuthi Grootman man yazi siyakubona uyapusha sifuna ukungena nathi yabo. But for me na writing le ngize personalize yabo. Khona into ababiza ngobizo, you know, before anything
Calling.
else. Yeah, it's a calling,
Yeah.
you know. So I so believe that, you know, a calling, you are called to serve, you know, a particular purpose, you know, and once you find that purpose, then you are able to call, to serve, you understand? So, nokutshela abantu ababhaka ukuthi ungayogelezela dading, uyangithola. Mara mangabe akusinto ubizo leyo na achali ngeke izispan, uyangithola. And also uthole ne reason ukuthi hayi ufuna ungena egaming, yabo, ufuna ungena ngoba because bathe check abantu ababhaya izifuna ungena eTV zine low self esteem, uyangithola. And mzuzu lo emajapeka une low self esteem ufuna ukuvela eTV ube celebrity maye bezozwa ngawe ekhasi manje uyangithola. So mangabe uchunela that for celebrity kuzoba ijive. So that's why ngithi kumele uthole something nyana manendo foundation via ukuthi yazi ngiyazi ukuthi why ngichuna that thing uyangithola. Kuze nanomzohlangana namanye ama challenges phambili. You are not easily shaken, uyangithola. So you have to serve that purpose bese uthi yazi I'm taking a bow, you know, bese ngiyaphuma ngayi. So I think ubizo more than anything else. Yeah.
It sounds like ngihleli ne international. Yabona bo Akon yabo izinja zegame. So ngiyakelevate njalo. Mina ke give credit where is due.
Sure.
Kuneintwana zethu ezigrand because ama Grootman is gatekeepile. Yabo yonke into ufuna ukuthi be about wena. And also ngihlala ngitshela abantu ukuthi you must realize when other people's time has come to an end in your life. Sekuyisikhathi ukuthi umuvele kwenye indawo. And also mele u-understand mase kumele uvacate indawo kunabantu abahleli lapha amadlozi abafuna ukumove chief ubone lo muntu ukuthi no lona bathi highest paid what mara iseke into angasikhona ukusi-offera yona empty. Now I wanted to talk about something different. My interviews way different. Ubizo lami lokuthi mina ke I have a spirit of discernment. I want you to take us to that one moment la ukhumbula kahle hle ukuthi yazini bangishaya isandla ngahamba inhliziyo yami ibhlungu blind ukubona ukuthi ngiyacula ngintswembu ngokucula ayifike enye ifika lapha ni keyboard itype bafethi lona ngazi nimthathapha akasuke lo angeze wena bakhombe bakhiphe la that one day that you still remember vividly ukuthi yazi la ngavalelwa ngaphandle I've been knocking ngiya la ngabona bo Angus nabo bani mara here lena noma ungabenjina ngabantu amagama but there's that one thing because izinto abantu ababuilda kuzo ukuthi emfethu ngeke ngaba ne-flop blind ngesikhathi esikayo mina ngibuye kuspina mangisipila kanje sike sashiyenye bekuthiwa inebhadi bathi media iyayiloya le out yakhishwa yini ehlathini because beyishiwa kuthiwe ama-rifle ahlala kuyo indi zihlala kuyo mara ithiwe lo mele asale lo nebhadi ngathi bafethu akabuye le muntu akangikhohlwa nafandaka always hlala khuluma ngami ukuthi sanazini le out yangenzela itayile eziright yabo yangenzela ivaru so wena what are those things I mean if you were to point in a direction what's that one thing one day oyikhumbulayo ukuthi sanazini this I'll never forget
I think azange ngibe nejive grandship maybe khona abantu ke bangeni keeper nanani that's why ngithi yabona into mangabe ubizole yona nanoma kenzakalana uzofika la kumele ufike khona yabo and I think also if you know that you solely have you have that deep feeling ukuthi ngathi nginobizo for something and then it also works hand in hand with timing you know ne-patience into ezibhaya yabo so angeke uquestion ezinye izinto ukuthi isana ngeke nga-audition then azange ngicove le role then cover that ngezijive ukuthi angathi bangivalela ama-Grootman ngathi no the timing wasn't perfect yabo so mina feel that ngibuya vibe uya nasesikela yabo ayisikela phela mina lento lokuthi mina bengibelieve ngathi ngifela i-maths ne-physics angathi azikhiphi chali la yangithola when I look back home I'm like ngizofana nala ma-Grootman lawa yabo ngoba mathiyabheke ekasi I mean, you are attracted to what you are exposed to, ekas. Young children. I was exposed to la Grootman la ukuthi yazini. Ya ashayinse ngaqoka amagushi ngibona leyo life leyo nami ukuthi amankulu ngifuna ukufana na Grootman. Ile Grootman vange i-date ngifuna le i-date nami ngicala ukuspana young child. So my from eskela to ekas that ngibekela ukuthi mana mlakano. Angeke kuyenze ukuthi ngiphasa i-maths nge-50% bese bathi ngidom. Hayi makancane. Angeke ngiphasa i-physics nge-45% bathi ngidom. Grandship memele ngithole 60. Khona lenye teaser elinkezi English le teaser lelithi kimi yabona wena mawuzoyenza ama oral manje awusashaya ama unprepared speech ngoba lakhisa class long just disrupt la classini so lithi kimi manje ngizokukhiphela ngaphandle uyenza into efunayo ngiyafika la ngishaya ama skit ngiyajive nanani le teaser la ngitshele when after matric kumele uhambe your act Uyangithola?
Na into engiyifunayo.
Yes.
Yabona wenza ngokubuza.
Yeah. So uyasuka la vele daddy ngiyami then ngathatha serious from ukuthola isigela nanani nokuthola nabantu bangibhadalela school fees nanani bathole kalula. So ngibanga namajive kanjalo. Yeah.
Oh.
I have the opposite story.
Yeah, come on.
So mina, so I've always known ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza amafilimu. I've always known ukuthi it started with community theatre ngiphume eJabavu and then church theatre and whatnot. And then at age 13, I have a chance encounter and I meet Spike Lee. And then I know okay,
The
after
Spike Lee.
the Spike Lee. So I'm like, after this, I'm gonna try. You know, we came from no money, but we were like, I'm gonna try. You know, to get money to register, being washimoto. You know, I was washing cars and just people can give you money to go register. So eventually I registered to go to film school because I want to be a writer, director. So day one of film school, there's too many people that want to be actors and too many people that want to be directors. So lecture hall is full. So then what do they do? They have to eliminate people. So now the directing lecturer is going around giving us small, quick tasks.
Yeah.
You know, so they give me a small, quick task. And then Maraketa, she looked at me in the eye and said, you do not have the temperament to make it as a director. He said, I want you to stop trying to pursue directing as of today. So my first encounter, of trying to pursue a career in film, they told me that I won't make it.
Should be profita wena.
Yeah, so that's
sad,
crazy.
man.
But then that made me angry because I knew I was called. Same thing that Utsupo say. I knew I was called to do this. So when she told me that, I said, "You are not my God." Yawana, young kwati samo. It made me pursue even harder because I said the devil is a liar. On day one. And today, 21 years later, I've done everything all over the world. And where is she? Interestingly enough, when I won my first SAFTA for writing, directing, the person that gave me my certificate for winning is her brother. So it went full circle where the brother is the one saying, I've always known you were going to make it. Where else the sister was like, you're never going to make it. That's how God works. Yeah.
But let's talk about currency because inyuku siyabona kumadlanga laphana itsotsi vele itsipite kuyanyiwa because of inyuku ne corruption. How rife is that game in terms of abantu abaphethe imali because abantu ababhaya ne talent ngathi bayalibhaya. Angazi uyanderstand na. There are people now uyazibuza ukuthi no, but honestly speaking angisunkulunkulu angaze ngibe direct mara lo Jonas ngathi ungambiza uyona Jonas uyayithola so inyuku irole edlalayo in the industry ingakanani in terms of ubu negative.
Yeah, personally, I don't, because I've never had to deal with that on a personal level.
Yeah.
I think the one thing in Yugo, and I think when Connett comes and sits, we'll talk about it nicely, is that, you know, to raise money to make this film, it ended up being 5 young guys, you know, which is sad, because if you look at the context and the subject matter of the book, you know, it's about these students at University of Turfloop in 1986. Most of those students today are like, you know, chairperson of this and that and that. In fact, our current president is a former SCM president at the same university. Ukhalima Motlanthe, a lot of the individuals, you know. So you would think they would say there's these young guys trying to retell a story that fell through the cracks. Let's hold their hands and support them, you know. And unfortunately, it hasn't happened at the way it's supposed to happen, which is you know, we broke our backs for 3 months to get this thing done in less than 3 months. You know, film, you know how rough that is. We broke our backs. In fact, you know, some of the stuff I talk about, I get emotional because we got to a point where we ran out of funds. We had to ask half the crew to camp with us because we couldn't afford hotel rooms, you know. And so there's stories like that where you go, man, I wish, you know, money could flow to the right places so we can tell the story at the highest production value as possible. We managed to do it without any institutional support. And today it's playing at Ster-Kinekor. So the unfortunate part is money didn't play a role at all in this project. And I wish it did. You know, even if it begega woolies nje bathi ntwana Debza tata and damo go get some catering or
Yeah.
go get coffees for the crew. Even if that happened, I would have appreciated it.
Yeah.
But none of that happened for us.
Yeah,
think-
because Masiapega khona isystem abayibreakile neteam yakhe amaThapega udade ngizidlala istekini komanje. Because when you look at our film industry, how the model is structured, ukuthi kumele apply uthole funding or commission ukuze ukwazi ukhipha isipani.
Yeah.
But leyo koncancezo ithola ikuthola ukuthi izokwazi ukusustain nawe, you understand, as we have a production company, as a filmmaker, you're able to make 6 other movies. After uqeda uqopha leyo movie leyo kumele ulinde VA uyothole enye funding VA. So uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle uyaphatanisa vele ngale mali uyenza ifilm ukuthi ukwazi ukhafa rent, kanjalo. So kuze azokwazi ukubreaka naleyo system VA nakhona ukuthi yabona ukuthi it took a toll on them as well, ukuthi okay, as amachita C5 isayiphusha la thing angeke ibe lula mara sizoyiphusha yabo, because imodel yethu the way ngakhona it's like angeke ushaye blockbuster uthi uyafaka icinema kudlala imovie yeMarvel bekutshela irevenue le movie yenze uma 500 million. Thina soyithola kanjani la ngoba bakunika bakunika 30 tower but Debza 30 tower now Debza cabanga kumele ngicast scheme beka kanjani ngina 1.5 izwakala ngiyangithola kuzibe possible that thing. So yeah, into ukuthi kumele siloku stila nazo lezi ezamafilm ekhana nani yabo.
In fact lento esiyikhulumayo singayenza enye movie futhi ngalento le stress BTS nje ijive thola lesson bayiseke indaba zogidla emahotela yonke lento ngiyazilandela writings because the reason why ngilethe kasi ubona ngi-interviewer even nangeVenek it's because kunengcozo ezizitshela ukuthi lento seyichayile, it's either mele ngiye ngithi couch casting ngiyadunu and then uyangena otherwise ngeke nje wayibona ngeke kube even ama out vele khona bayile by choice mara uphinde kuyikino obutang because mele bakulume la kumalume before uzongena la emshinini. So ngifuna singene kulento ke yabona uyi-interview ayihumusha ke namhlanje because wena kahle kahle uyi-steering sethu la yabona abantu abangale ngaphambili ukhona whether uyafeature uyasupporta wenzani okusalayo kumele sishaye spotlight kuwe.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukuthi usigaye nje synopsis yale movie ukuthi what is the movie about technically and then everything else because kunento ekwama ounce nyana lezi abantu abangazinaki besishuta lapha mina phela ngisebenzela icompany lapha abathi Moja Love I know ukuthi chophe iboom so kunaleyo phase uyangifastana in as much as iye gijima iyapompa blind akunamuntu othi siyacompete la but kunento ezifew nawo nokuhlala phansi ngithi hey lezi azikhulunywa mara zibonwa yithi uyabo. So wena ngifuna ukuthi usigaye synopsis yale movie ukuthi okay movie what gave birth to it uyangifastana and then before ngena kwi character ne role yakho the synopsis of the movie, what is the movie about?
Alright, yangizolethe kasi then Khotman izongisiza ngala magama wesilungu.
So
so how it came about, it's a book. It's titled, the Teflop Memos. Ne? Studying under the barrel of the gun by Ernest Khoza. So he wrote the book. He was actually a student there in University of the North, now known as University of Limpopo. And when the soldiers took occupation in university in 1986. So he essentially wrote the book in his own point of view, about the whole experience since the soldiers took occupation at the university, so how, and then going to what the movie is about as well is that, from the book it was adapted, but also it's not a biopic type of, adaptation, it's a thing which even the director, I think he also, took some inspiration from the book, because as filmmakers, what you need to do with, if you're adapting, literally lifting off the words from the book and having to visualize them, so that it becomes, a thing that so that's what the movie is about. It was adapted from the book and then to it being a film, and also it's a political, psychological movie, because abantu banokuthi movie apartheid and the konism no guys actually movie apartheid. If you look at this thing, there are those elements of apartheid, because apartheid is a system within an existing system as well, so the movie, the film itself, it's just a political, psychological movie.
Maybe just to add, does it have a feel of Stephen Bantu Biko arrangement?
Yeah. So what happened is the book is about when the when a state of emergency was declared
Yeah.
in 1286, and then the military came in to basically turn the whole university into a military barrack.
Yeah.
So they pitched their tents, they put their trucks, they didn't leave
Yeah.
for a couple of years. But then once we started digging into the history of the university, then we realized, Upiko launched SASO in 69 at the university. And then 3 years later, Unkgopotse Tiro, who sort of came under Biko, was SRC president, and he made that famous speech in 72. Guti, this Bantu education is not going to work. And then they found him in 74. They sent him a letter bomb. So they took him out, and he became the first student activist to be taken out by the regime. What people don't realize is that Utiro, Tsietsi Mashinini, comes from the hands of Utiro. And so that, for me, there was a clear line between 1976 and 86 because of that connection of that university. In fact, we had a meeting with Peter Mkaba's sister, who told us that Peter Mkaba was recruited into politics by Tiro himself.
Wow.
And so then
He's
there's
affected in politics.
Yeah, so University of Turfloop has a rich history of political activism. So the movie starts all the way from Biko launching SASO to Tiro to Mashinini to Peter Mkaba to Josephine Mashwani to then the class of 86 as the military comes to take over the university.
Interesting. It's like yabona more reenactor amasin, and now this thing is told from a point of view omntomusha, and then now ngesibhutshwa uyenza ibe sontsha and uyenza ibe interesting. I just hope that even young people abathi noma hey nale ndaba yokuyovota nani ayisana nesidingo could take a keen interest after listening to the episode. In fact, when I must Google the harmony there. Stekeniko mele ngiye namhlanje vele dami ngiyobukela la angakayibukeli mina ngiyasupport ke yonke into nenze sure ukuthi ngiya cross strata ngiyangala. Now I want us to wrap up as I'm going to release you now with the blessing Mchan, because I know ukuthi kune leadership la. Excuse me, we need to make sure ukuthi we plug yonke into singakhohlwa anything. Let's get into your character. It's not a romance story and mhlambe nikhona khona lokucabuzana khona la.
No, uwalile.
Awuyakwazi lezembhonyelwayo uthi ayezofuna ukuhlaba kwamampela.
Isikhathi bese sithola lapha amasotsha asigijimisa.
So akuna senior romance la.
I mean, look,
Love story.
in every story there is a love story.
Yeah.
You know. So, but also when you're speaking about love, you know, we are thinking romantically, you know. Story mangabe ngiloko ngihlawulana nesoja kanje no man could say thank you for today. That's a love story. So it's gone. Those nuances are there on the movie, you know. So it's just that in my masicabanga love story sesifuna vele sifuna yabo
What's your favorite scene, Gela?
my favorite scene.
Yeah.
Hey man, so there's a guy who's playing lead, Khwadi. He was in detention. He actually plays Ernest there. You know, the person who actually wrote the book.
Yeah.
So bamfaka detention I think for 8 weeks if I'm not mistaken. Eish, lo mchita lo inkhumbuze le story le saka umama Winnie Tikizela Mandela. Mara bamdetainile naida ubona was it a cockroach? I think.
Yeah.
Then they started having
days,
a conversation with a cockroach. So in the movie, you know, the guy Ernest, balo bamdetainile da dlula kundwana.
Yes, son.
Ay makudlula kundwana ngiyamuza umfana uyasho Viva Mausi River. And Viva Mausi Viva, you know. And makaringa nale kundwana uringela ngendaba zokuthi angikhwewani yina ukhona. You know, for me that scene, man, sure. Because angeke ngithi manje ngicabanga ngithi APC scene. Because mathi bheka sigijimisa amabhunda angeke ngicabanga. Esani, le scene yami favorite ile la bhunu malishaya umfana ngisicima. Angeke. So it's that moment for me, you know, to see. Umfana namba ngiyithakitha nekundwane la ngithi.
In as much as lento lena it ministers to people's lives, and then but there's one thing mhlambe ku ongathi no mina I took out land what you elevate nje as a message ofuna ukuthi amplify for also nabantu bakhona ukuyizwa ongathi these were the lessons learned from the movie when personally being featured, being part of this movie.
Yeah, so personally, I think mangiqala kule game acting, you know, I wanted to be the voice for the voiceless, you know. But somehow along the line we get carried away. Yabo, sigcina seshaya vele le itori zama kitchen sink nanani, itori zama butterfly nanani, you know, ekubeni ukhohle nale purpose uNkulunkulu akayona ukuthi mfana ngugaye ukuthi wena you need to be a storyteller, you know. Khona abanye abantu bazokutshela ukuthi mfana aze ngibonele ya character yakho man mawudlala la man ingikhumbuze yabo khona ilesson engifunde la yabo. So this movie for me became that because you know even you know our you know late leaders they tried to conscientize us, the black minds, you know, and also as a performer being part of this, you know, epic story. And actually, ngiregister ukuvota as of izolo. I've never voted in my life before, but because of that film,
And you
you
voted
know,
me, all right.
So for me it did that as well, you know. And as a performer in Kainada, I think I shouldn't allow or let anything silence this voice, you know, because it can be that powerful as well, you know. And Matsuya Chekavi, it could have, when they casted for the character that I'm portraying there, it could have been any other actor, you know. But for them to actually see Utepo to say, I think this boy can, you know, can deliver here, you know. So I think for me, it gave me that, it reignited that purpose in me, that voice in me to say, I'm trying to voice, my child be bold, be powerful, you know. And going back to why I wanted to become an actor in the first place, you know. And growing up as a kid, being someone who didn't, you know, I love you from Ole Dunga Kavi, you know. There's something man in society busy wrong, man, you know. So my voice was, I didn't kind of understand what my voice was back then, but now it's a thing yokuthi manje sengiyazi voice kaMthebane yabo izinto aziringa zinjani nanoma cast umfana maka actor manje uyazi ukuthi wenzani, you know. So for me it's that.
Last words to that one boy in Soshanguve, omunye ubuya ngale Thembe kasile Dr. Malinga, uthi I am, you know, out for the last and the final count. Mina into zami ngezisahlangana, abanye sebazingene kunyawupe bangene kuphi manje to keep the dream alive. Last words to just a young black boy and a black girl from a young man. Angithi bagaya opportunity now. Asikhulume nabo lapha edladleni as we release you.
Yeah, lelani bafethu. I think for mina ngizoyibuyisa vele from how I became where I am now today. So nami ngilentwana sekasi ngene kule era level kunekhothane amabhoja amapantsula ngene inombolo yabo zonke lento lezo. So imagine now the light that I am and the light that I'm still becoming in the society, you know, to say nanlo nalabe ngikhule nabaya shoot man no le outle isuka imarabhekida manje genzakaleni, you know. I think it's all in the mind, you know. We need to deal with, you know, mental and slavery, you know. Khona ezinye izinto man Mrs. Babaza sakhula seshukuthi yazini siphelela la siyi. Now my dreams are shattered, but beka mayengva, you know. I took that leap of faith to say yazini nyaya yi and ngizoyichuna, you know. And I think there was a time where ngengamamela abo teachers buke bafika esikele ngikhulele dusty streets of Tembisa simaye sengina nan mangimbheka lo khotman ngisho ngidala ziyadlala lezi zithanda ku smooth talk mara ngithi nami sengivumbuluka ngivela actually ikhona riding. So ngiyantshela bafethu ukuthi asinda nami lento engintshela yona manje ukuthi, you know, as pushing asibunini umhlaba ngamanye amakhala different bafethu, not in only black and white, because mathi check nasekasi mawuthi khona kune tavern kaSibanibani mawuthi khona kune tavern kaSibanibani yabo. So azamini nathi ukuthi sibone umhlaba man ngama shades are different ngamakhala different yabo. The world is so beautiful out there bafethu yabo. So ngizonishare naloko kuphela. Now uyazi ukuthi lezi zilo na ngaphakathi uyawazi umlilo na ngaphakathi. So mawuvuthi. Shout
out to Mthebane from Igrotman ukondomaze wena. Angithi mayisenandeni TV. Jayam bravo sifakele out yami as movie mic. Sex before marriage is a sin. Uyifake. As you are liking, subscribing, commenting, so that we grow the number la ku-Discrimination. I know ukuthi we are approaching 500,000. And abantu ababhaya bathi angathi nenze ngemfene bafana. Abantu bana 8 to 10 years balandoda abakafiki na kumeter nina senibambi half a meter. Hard work, dedication, determination iyo ke lesibhadalayo. Le ndoda lengayazi le ndoda le. Le ndoda igama layo lidumile. Noma uyigugule yaphuma ukugugule. At some point bengifuna nje igama lami libe kugugule. Manje ngeke ngafika ngahlala bengikhuluma no President uFloyd ngithi at some point you were the most Google politician in the country. Before makazophuma ku MK na nonke umuntu akafuna ukwazi what's the next move. So Scheme is becoming a person of interest. So we are living in this future that we are creating. So let's build Bafetu.
Yeah.
Ugrenda utiyaka.
Easy wena.
Ngiyabona uri easy. Potla yakena. Ar confirm chelete. Usikayijikisa. Yakena nyuku ywana.
We are stable.
Hey, this man is very critical but stable. I'm not sure. Critical but stable.
Critical but stable.
Yeah. No, please introduce yourself, my brother, to our community, earrings and pairings.
Lebitso ke Connect Thabiso Momabolo, an entrepreneur, an artist, philanthropist. In this specific film, I'm the executive producer and I'm playing Peter Makaba as well.
Mukaba bana. Now, Connect Mamabulo, mangas lekam. Ngalas ngeke believe kuphi. This was in 2013. I was the chairperson of the biggest organization in prison in making a difference generation. Kune awuthambe lapho semindobo ngishizela nayo. Yo, bengathi Connect Mamabulo. Connect Mama. Ema meeting Connect Mamabulo ngithe kade this time man. Siyabhandinda la usitshela ngabantu esingabazi kanti later sizohlangana. No, well done. Umsebenzi yabantu yabakhulumela. We project at times, you know, and mina ngishilo ukuthi ekwami ukuthi ngihlale la bongana light lapha and then abantu abakumele bakhulume baring. Now that we are here, sikhuluma ngendaba ye partnership. Ngifuna sigelezise intwana Magrotman, the importance of this partnership because over and above brotherhood, there's this element, yeah, partnership. They fall through the cracks because of misunderstanding. And not misunderstanding, greed and desire. How do you stay, you know, together as brothers? And then in terms of maybe is it contractually, on the contractual basis, or kita ba ora no mfet nakile ko skele di deng li manager jwang relationship executive producer mara bi mo ya thobela for the fact that that thing is playing, it seems there's something that you did right, that partnership.
Yeah. The number one rule is transparency. You know, you feel it. You feel when there's something offish that you're doing. Your guts never lie. And sometimes your guts can mislead you about the next person. So seek clarity, don't sit with it. Then that's how best we can manage the tension. But also just the spirit of giving. And then we're constantly wanting to go an extra mile. So the energies, nobody's dragging anyone down. I think that's quite critical. Avoid as much as possible to have unspoken agreements. Because I think that's what killed a lot of partnerships. Yeah, if like let it be that we agreed on this. Let it not be an assumption that, you know, maybe things will tend this way. You know, the fact that I'm inserting energy, therefore, it will mean this automatically. You know, so things must be spoken about and things must be agreed upon. Transparency hold it down for me. Yeah.
Tate Mamabolo, I'm going to ask you a very unfair question here. Mara people at home, through these three lenses, you are young, very smart, a learned person, you are a sharpshooter. How do you avoid temptation? Baufama rao. Bana babadlali, kidibunu, bari kenye mo pinyeng papa. Ay man, kishilo kalita ba anfenyana mara kubata utsiba. Marama China is a chama boy. The next thing, muna, natswanse urubak ene go do. How do we avoid those temptations? Ayarbola abafit pinya.
Yeah, no, it's dangerous.
Yeah. I can't jila lukala. I don't know.
No, but I think having a tattoo here as a married man always helps. Your family grounds you. Yeah, I'm grounded by my wife, my kids.
Yeah.
Le focus man gets working again.
Yeah.
And marako ka sa fage. Tlano phela lo ona.
Yeah.
You know, but you just need to get your house in order. When like ngebo shilo no re ke yona ntilo re rena majita mapaya ya re khawata. Yeah. I my family grounds me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, as we're getting deeper into the conversation, I'm sure that projects into the future are saying one down, many to go. Aling the plans now as you project now into the future. You're speaking to the universe. Where do I see Mamabolo in the next 5 years in the industry? You spoke 21 years. Mchana, when I live at Baduz, about half a century, 50 years, they've got nothing to show for it. So if you are speaking to a Cornet Mamabolo in the next 5 years in the industry, speak to that man. This interview, you are going to play it. And God will keep you. You are going to be alive. And then Rotoi Shebel in the next 5 years. Whatever you're going to say here, we are going to hold you accountable, comrade. We're going to say, hey, Chief, you had said.
Yeah. Well, the plan is to produce in the field.
Yeah.
The plan is to develop as many young people as possible, not only through informal teaching, your master classes that are non-accredited. I want to push. I want to have impact from, creating employment. I want to have impact on developing young people. Yeah. That's me. I think that's just me. Otherwise, I just want to grow as an entrepreneur so that I can pour as much as possible into the arts industry.
I'm going to borrow from your words. It's a very powerful statement here. Your utterances. You are saying an entrepreneurship, my director, my producer. They are young people, and we don't even know what happened. They evaporate. Batuba, famous vandag. The next thing, 2 years down the line, Kikolek, Habodile. How can we educate people to unlearn some certain things in the industry? So can you please empower that young man?
Yeah, I'll say, it almost adds into what Cornet just said. What most people don't realize is I worked with Cornet for the first time 16 years ago on Scheme Sam. So I directed Scheme Sam when it first came out, right? And today we're back working again at Teflo, Mankwe. And there's a reason for that. Is somebody like a Cornet who's got a bigger call. When you've got a bigger calling, all these other things seem very small. The problem, the disconnect that happens sometimes is that there's a void. There's a vacuum. You don't really have purpose. And so, I was a youth leader. I was a youth leader at Grace Bible Church for many, many years, more than 10 years. In fact, Lilia, who's the creative producer on this movie, we're leaders together at church.
Nice.
I was like an usher leader for more than 12 years, youth leader for like 15 years or something. And I hope he leaves. I hope he leaves.
Are you sure?
and there's something about serving people that gives you a higher purpose, right? And Cornet mentioned that he does a lot of what's the word? He gives back, right? He built a library in his village. People don't know that. It's stuff that he never really mentions. But doing things like that, like me serving young people for all those years, the work that you do at prisons, once you elevate a higher purpose, all these other things become small. So I always say, I don't think you should pay attention on the things that trip you up, right? Don't pay attention to the drugs that are tripping you up. Don't pay attention to the booze that's tripping you up, or the bums, as you say, that are tripping you up. You should face up, face higher, and go, how can I elevate and find a higher purpose? If you go and you serve the next person and you help them out with something, suddenly the desire for those things minimizes. And of course, I will always say facing up also is facing God and saying, I can't do it in my own strength. So for me, it's about young people finding a higher purpose. That's what this story does, this movie. When you watch this movie, you'll see young people that had a purpose, a collective purpose, collective effort. And the young people of 76, they also had that collective effort, collective purpose. Once that is bigger than the everyday issues, your life transforms automatically. You don't have to focus. You don't have to look down and say, oh, I'm addicted, I'm hooked, I'm crashing out. You just have to look up and say, what else can I do for the next person? And that will adjust your destination.
Now ngisebenze nabo Sayitsheni Mdaki, ngisebenze nabo Bhungane, ngisebenze nabo Kutlwano Ditsele. Abantu ababhaya bayazi the background yami le. So kaningi nokufika ngithi teach ngithi preach and ngifuna isipani sami siziringele. Writing books and all of that. So mangibuye edanyane bangigaya cameo role bathe ngena la siyadlala kwisithembiso and I realized ukuthi man la lento ilahlile yona mara hey kunzima chief. Kunabantu abazokutshela ukuthi angizamile lento chief. Lento it will stretch you too thin. That is why ababhaya bagcina bathi hayi siye ku couch casting. Ngathi i-option and la ku-industry kunalama loyano, so that's why ngithi ngifuna sike siyilungise dideng because these are things abantu abangaringe ngazo. My podcast last filthy nothing kune-sister zami engisipane nazo, one lead actress popular soapy, omunye supporting la, omunye mara bakuloya from le kwa-makeup ukuyophuma le ekhemereni nani. How do you mitigate risk and you manage lama dynamics because abantu kunama energy are different mara ubona ukuthi lo uze ngamasimba kahle kahle la esetini.
Well, from my side, I think firstly, you know, I opened my statement by saying I've been 21 years in the game. It would be wrong for me to deny that those things happen. Those things happened, and I've seen them happen. But you don't have a long-lasting career if you engage those things, right? I'm sitting here as 21 years. You know, the show that I dropped before we shot this movie, I did it with Barack Obama and J. Cole. Now you don't get to that global level if you dabble with these things, right? And and your career is not sustainable if you dabble with these things. So for me, that's the one thing that has sort of protected me and my career. I pray a lot, even though Connor doesn't believe it.
16 years
and you have to pray.
Why are you exposing
You have to. In fact, Bampitsa Murutwa industry. You know, every time there's like industry things, there's like, hey, Debs, come and say a word and pray. You know, and I think there is that sort of spiritual covering that one needs, you know, to survive in this industry. So what I would say is the young people out there that are going to be filmmakers and film directors, and you know, you've got a weakness, yadi bum bums, you know, try by all means necessary not to do it in the industry, right? So because that's a sure way to cut your career short. And so I would say, yes, okay, it's fine. But try not to do it in that same space that you're going to drink your water from, because it's kawata in the long run.
I hope ba utlile bo Ramarete lona le tso go tlong le fesha vele se le kentse le condom le tlo phinya bafana le nano success is sexually transmitted a re utleng tate mama bo le sexually transmitted. And that let's get to the business of the day, which is the project that we are in, because of course lispan nebafethu, how long did it take you, and then the challenges, because we can't just say okay because say lapana there were challenges, so that we educate people abacabanga ukuthi lento flight by night. And no man, we could do it lento via there's no messiah also figure la when I'm span. So we want to understand and want to know then basis how are people you know could maybe possibly assist in stretching and capacitating the dream. Because what I believe in is to make sure that we pray you through, create the hedge of fire around your lives. Next project, it should be 10 times. So even this one, my mover, if you get the time, a big thing. Shout out 16 countries. A Jonas, Fakman Muder. Kisinyo bidiman. Kilas number. So likeni kayo na nakwe mara la survive. And the way ngakona into any aspana. Because once it's technical, in as much as kuna issues up in terms of let's say space, some scope and what have you, but Nina still you are there. So give us the 360 because we need to know exactly what keeps you going, grand. And then, but let's talk about the project, manje. And then ni kulumele the project. I want you to market the project. I want you to do the PR and the marketing. We've got trailers, we've got promos, we've got episodes, say drop, so that everyone could listen to these voices. And if there's anything assistance, and then let's talk about it. Tate Mambabul.
Can refer tapes at the
Go for it.
Teng tsa o share sekgowa se seng. Ya
Yeah,
bona rona,
Tebza
o
gona le
ithotse
that
ma-
thing ya boruti.
Tebza ne re ja bana ka bo Tebza. Le tsotsa kena bue ska harmony ya share sekgowa then na se ke nna ka se vernacular sa. No, anyone can take it.
Yeah, look, we had so many challenges. Big. We're still having challenges even now. But we're doing great. We struggled. We struggled with resources. That's number one. Resources from
Yeah.
accommodation. But let me start it here. So I think what carried us through was the fact that we had an amazing crew and cast that is, aligned in terms of energy.
The vision. Yeah.
So even when we fell short on resources, they were willing to stick around and push with us. So we're shooting in Limpopo, where you don't have a fully fledged film and television industry. You don't have gear houses. You don't have a highly experienced technical crew. So meaning you're moving with filmmakers from Joburg. So we're running on average on 66 crew members from Joburg.
Say about 75.
75. So we're moving with about 75 technical crew from Joburg
Yeah.
that we needed to
Accommodate.
They must eat. They must move. There must be petty cash. There must be all of those things. So that was the first challenge that we had to deal with. Because of the movement, so everything becomes expensive. Be it from insurances, from whatever, things just becomes expensive for you to diesel. It's just so things are just that expensive. I think Tebza shared earlier. Did you share earlier about half of the crew agreeing to camp with us? Because we're struggling with accommodation, but we also struggled a lot with getting the white actors, the background actors. Would get promises in the province, but nobody would show up until we put it up on the social medias. And one gentleman reached out. What political party? is it?
Freedom Front Plus.
Freedom Front Plus. But again,
FF Plus. Hey. Ya Groenewald, yeah.
So that assisted a bit, but we struggled a lot with that. We struggled a lot in terms of, being afloat with our background actors, because we had a big team of background actors. On average, we were running on how many people?
Hundreds. I think 200.
Yeah, about
about
140.
200 a day.
Yeah, 140 or 200 background actors on a daily that you still needed to accommodate. What else, Debza?
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
so
with this-
in the beginning we didn't have catering. I think just the context of the movie, because it's a period piece.
Yeah.
Right. So everything has to look like the 80s, has to look like 1986. So everything is priced high, right? Because now you need the right hair. So imagine we've got
Yes.
about 200 extras
More props that-
on set. Yeah, we've got 200 actors on set. Now we can't have ile fadele,
Yeah.
So now there must be in wigs. There must be, we can't have like certain style of cornrows because they were not in the 80s. So hair becomes a challenge. People are spending an hour and a half every morning while we stick hair and beards onto them. Right? Wardrobe, so we had to truck in a truck full of 80s style clothes, so that if the 200 extras come and somebody's wearing a 1990 or 2000 Jordan, we must change
must look
them so
backwards,
they
yeah.
look, So our challenges were many, and in fact that we are sitting here today and the movie's playing at Staykeniko is a miracle in itself, And I think to follow up, answer what you're saying about what do we see 5 years from now, this is a model that we are tinkering with. It's a model that we feel is going to work. And so for us, if you ask, what do we see yourself in 5 years' time? We do another movie like this. We raise our own money, but now we figured out certain pockets, where to improve, what to change, what to tweak, how to get it to market. We went straight to Exclusive Book. We republished the book ourselves and went to them, and the book is on the shelves. We went straight to Sterkenical, and the book is at Sterkenical. So we have become a studio ourselves. So if you say, where do I see ourselves in 5 years from now? I'm breaking ground on Tewa Malope Studios, where it's a 360-degree business model, where we raise our own money, write our own script, shoot it ourselves, distribute it ourselves, and we dictate the commercialization of our films.
Now, we had a meeting with you here. I'm sure we spent about 3 hours. The story, I think it was not complete, for lack of a better word. The only part I showed ile future le. Nales profit engizoskipha manje. So kune part la ngizoba mayor of one of the biggest cities. I'm not playing. I'm very serious. I'm serious, comrades. So ile part I showed that's why singashutanga. So please, Tate Mamabulu.
It's in a bill.
Yeah, no, I can recover because once you get into pay, once you project, I want to inspire even young people. When I wrote books, I projected. I speak to the future. So even now, and you'll testify. The day I wear that ketang, then you'll be there on that day. Then ngifuna camera we that day. You move leyo phela documentary yethu leyo. Iphelele indaba yethu. Let's now talk to now the market ekhona la and encourage people to go and watch the movie. Ngiyayizwa into what downloads so nizosho ukuthi nitholakala kuma platforms nani kuma social wenu. How can we push you? Let's edge these people because I want this thing to go out there. We can't just have one element, one aspect, one side. We need a whole holistic approach. Lifitli demo. La go life-changing experience. So let's push it now. Ukuthi abantu kumele baye le bioscope le. Kiwona mashelling. Abantwana ezikolweni bebamisile ni skip imali zeikolo for riding le. Mase kwisikhathi return investment. Sifuna imali yethu manje. Mele abantu baye. It's the only thing. Mele ama eyeballs, as many eyeballs must watch the riding so that this thing le iya move.
So Saturday, Sunday, Jonasi was trending.
Yeah.
And then Monday, Sabashai, we trended on Monday.
Nice.
And the only reason that happened is because people are making noise.
Yeah.
People are going there, they're shooting videos, they're tagging us. They're tagging Perel of a Gun movie on Instagram. They're tagging me, Tewa Khomalope. And so the word is being put out, and platform like this help us. So at the moment, it's out at Sterkenical. It's only at 6 Sterkenical. Mall of the North, Mall of Africa, Eastgate Mall, Rosebank Mall, Southgate Mall. And what am I missing? Eastgate Mall also. And so it's there. And it's playing right now. We had a conversation with Sterkenical because they don't actually understand how we're doing what we're doing. But they're excited. You know, they're even saying, yo, let's see if we can extend the movie or take it to other towns. So the people in Durban, in Cape Town, make noise. Say we want to see this movie, you know? And what that helps us with is like the first stage, Yogu, but then the noise and it trending and whatnot, suddenly your Netflixes are saying, we want to see it. Let's see what you got. Amazon, they're saying, let's see what you got, which they've already requested, you see? So the noise and the hype, it helps us to, after the cinema run, extend it to other towns, to other cinemas, and then we can pick it up on the streaming platform after the fact.
Hashtag Barrel of a Gun.
Barrel of a Gun movie. Barrel of a Gun movie, Tewa Khomalope on all social media platforms. On TikTok, Barrel of a Gun movie. On Twitter, Barrel of a Gun movie. On Instagram, Barrel of a Gun movie.
Tewa Khomalope, Nontate, Connect, Mamabulu. Gentlemen, thank you very much for allowing us into your own space. And ngiyathanda mangibona intwana ezincane. Asama Grootman thina siguganga kangako. Umuntu makathi le intwana ngiyajabula because intwana iyagijima iye move. So maso uGroot kusho ukuthi bayabheka abantu and say bafethu let's try next door. This man yabona nikhetha amajongo. uShaka Zulu indoda encane uyamuza ukuthi usaphethe energy. So investment le we can reproduce for the next coming few years. So all the best and more. May the good Lord bless you guys. Increase and enlarge your territory in your field of trade, in the marketplace. We do things. This is the only way we know how to do things. Dark Swiss, Mchana ubulisa usisi Nadia lapha angimazi mhlambe sekashadile Nadia Silva inja yami leyana ke. Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Not all my social media pages, any number mhlambe khona mabafuna contact. Someone says emuna I've got deep pockets, I want to bless these guys. Singavali phela madoda. Any number niyanginika yona so ifaka on the screen. Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Ngizibambele even as movie
Salute.
Salute. Beautiful episode.
Yes, sir.